Jambo jambo, hamjambo wanafunzi bora. Hello my good students, welcome to today's video. Karibu sana kwa kipindi cha leo. Jina langu ni Millie. My name is Millie. And today we are learning about Swahili business phrases. As you can see behind me on the board, all the phrases you need to know in business. Whether you are the seller or you are the buyer. Stay tuned and get to know all this. But before we start that, if you are new here, welcome and welcome to the home of Swahili native speaker. All you need to do is to make sure you hit the subscribe button here, turn on your notification bell so that each and every time we get to upload a new video, you will be among the first people to be notified. For our returning subscribers, you are all amazing and we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So let's keep going. All right, so now I'm going to disappear from the screen and let you people enjoy today's lesson. All right, as you can see on the board, we have Swahili business phrases. So the first phrase we have that you will meet in business industry is karibu mteja. Karibu mteja. Karibu mteja. This simply means welcome customer. And then number 2, we have karibu kiti. Karibu kiti. Karibu kiti to mean have a seat. The third one, we have karibu tena. Karibu tena. Karibu tena to mean welcome again. Welcome again. This one is normally said after you have finished the purchase and now you are leaving. So the owner of the business will tell you, karibu tena. Karibu tena. So number 4, we have ingia ndani. Ingia ndani. Ingia ndani. This means come inside or enter inside. And then we have number 5. Je, unahitaji usaidizi? Je, unahitaji usaidizi? Do you need help? Do you need help? And then we have angalia zote. Angalia zote. Angalia zote. For example, if you have entered a boutique and then you are trying to look around to see which outfit is good for you, the owner of the business might tell you, angalia zote, to mean check them all. Check them all. And then we have number 7, bei ni ya kuongea. Bei ni ya kuongea. This is a phrase which is normally used with several business people since they want to create that rapport between you and them, and they want to let you know that the price is negotiable. The price is negotiable. So they will tell you bei ni ya kuongea. Bei ni ya kuongea. The price is negotiable. Number 8, we have kupima ni bure. Kupima ni bure. This means trial fitting is free. Trial fitting is free. You can try it on for free. This is normally applied in the course of clothes because they want you to come and try. And then as you are trying, you'll see each and every outfit is looking so good on you. The moment it looks good on you, now they have got a customer. So they'll always tell you, kupima ni bure, so that you can feel like, yeah, so I can go and try it on, then I'll get the perfect match for me. We have number 9, inakaa nzuri. Inakaa nzuri. Inakaa nzuri to mean it looks nice. It looks nice. Number 10, another phrase that you can't miss is hii ni bora kwa zote. Hii ni bora kwa zote. This is the buyer telling you that this is the best. Hii ni bora kwa zote simply means this is the best. And then we have number 11, asante. Asante. Asante to mean thank you. Then we have number 12, lipa na M-Pesa. Lipa na M-Pesa. Pay with M-Pesa. Then we have number 13, naomba risiti tafadhali. Naomba risiti tafadhali. Naomba risiti tafadhali. May I have the receipt? Normally after you have paid, you can ask for your receipt. Naomba risiti tafadhali. May I have the receipt? And then we have number 14. Ni bei gani? Ni bei gani? Ni bei gani? How much is it? You want to know the price. So you just say ni bei gani? Ni bei gani? Then we have number 15. Nitachukua hii. Nitachukua hii. Nitachukua hii. To mean I will take this one. I will take this one. Then we have number 16. Nitarudi kesho. Nitarudi kesho. Nitarudi kesho. Which simply means I will be back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow. But let me tell you, my friends, if you are the seller and you hear this phrase from your buyer, just know that one has gone and is not willing to buy. So tomorrow will never come. He has gone or she has gone. She didn't want to buy. And then we have number 17. Samahani. Samahani simply means excuse me or sorry. You can either use it to mean excuse me or it can mean sorry. So let's continue. Number 19. But if you are getting any value in this video, please don't forget to give it a like. Number 19. Sawa. Sawa to mean okay. Sawa, okay. After agreeing, you say sawa, okay. And then we have number 20. Siku njema. Siku njema. Siku njema. This means have a good day. Have a good day. Normally we say kuwa na siku njema. Kuwa na siku njema. But to put it in a short form, we say siku njema. Have a good day. They are all the same. Kuwa na siku njema or siku njema. Then we have 21. Subiri kidogo. Subiri kidogo. Subiri kidogo. To mean wait a little. Wait a little. Then we have number 22. Hapana, ongeza kitu. Hapana, ongeza kitu. Hapana, ongeza kitu. This means no, add something. No, add something. Normally when you are giving less amount than what the seller was willing to give it out for, you will say no. The seller will say hapana, ongeza kitu. Kitu in this form means money. So ongeza pesa. No, add some money. Hapana, ongeza kitu. This is a phrase you will surely get in Kenya, Uganda or Tanzania if you have gone to buy something. You will be told, hapana, ongeza kitu. Hapana, ongeza kitu. Then we have tafadhali for number 23. Tafadhali, tafadhali, tafadhali to mean please. Then we have 24. Punguza bei. Punguza bei. This literally means reduce the price. Punguza bei. Reduce the price. Punguza bei. Punguza bei. But in real sense, it means give me a discount. Then we have 25. Tafadhali nieleze. Tafadhali nieleze. Tafadhali nieleze. Which means please explain to me. And until this point, I want to say thank you and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in our next class. Goodbye. Mwah.